O niguo kuhana thibitari-ini cia kaunti cia Marsabit na Baringo. Ciana, atumia na athuri othe ni mahutitio ni murimu wa malaria. Angi mena malaria maria mahutagia meciria. Andu makiria 26 gicigo-ini kia North Horr, kaunti ya Marsabit nio makuite na angi magana mena murimu wa malaria. Kuri andu 500 aria mathimitwo malaria, 400 mena guo. Icigo iria hotetwo muno ni Dukana, Ileret, Loyangalani na Dikani, kuria ni kilomita 100 kuma thibitari.
Several vehicles have been mobilized across the county, personnel and whatever drugs are available in the hospital.
Gitumi kinene kia arwaru kwaga gwikinya thibitari-ini ni magongona ma unduire riria aikari matagirire kuma itura riao niguo matikanyitwo ni kirumi. Ona gutwika thutha wa kwihirwo riu ni mathiete kurigitwo.
And so we are really mobilizing staff and every logistic that is necessary to ensure that we get to the villages and sensitize the community, do the testing, do the treatment. If it's necessary, we evacuate to health facility that is near.
Kaunti ya Baringo ndiri notiganu na Marsabit. Ona thibitari nyingi itire na itada cia kuigana arwaru aria mena malaria. Aria makwite kumana na malaria ni 13. Kenda makwirire micii matonete urigitani, nao ana magakwira thibitari. Ohaguku wa ugitiri ni kimwe gia itumi cia andu kwaga motungata ma urigitani, tondu aria mateithagiriria mari na guoya wa gukinya gicigo kiu.
Beginning of February this year, we had a lot of insecurity issue, and the mapping of the places, dangerous and disturbed, really scared a lot of partners.
Thibitari ciothe ni njihuru na ona arwaru angi mararigitirwo rungu rwa miti. Kanju ya magavana itongorete ni mwikariri giti wao Joseph Nanok ni icakaite na nyumba cia aria makuite kuona mugomo wa nurses ni umwe wa itumi iria ciorotetwo cia andu kwaga motungata maiganu.
I am glad they have mobilized personnel. The Ministry of Health has also supported them with additional drugs, and they are also looking at airlifting some drugs to the very remote areas of Ileret, which is in northwest of the county.
As a ministry, we have intervened, and we want to ask the governors to order drugs from KEMSA, the routine drugs, so that they can be supplied and they will be able to meet the cost when the disbursements are made by the National Treasury.
Murimu wa malaria utabagio ni rwagiru ria roikaine ta Anopheles. Thutha wa andu 40 gukua kumana na malaria, riu maitho mothe merekerie kuri thirikari uteithia kuhukia murimu uyu kaimana niguo kurigiriria ikuo makiria. Ngirifuatara Inooro TV, Njetago Muthoni wa Mukiri.